When you think of the world of a field seller, everything has radically changed. It's like they've gone from playing racquetball to playing tennis. Yes, the game looks similar, there's a racket involved, but it's a completely different game. Everything is more difficult. Whether they're trying to set up a meeting or uncover the customer's needs or who actually the decision maker is, whether they're trying to build value in their solution when they can only do that in a virtual meeting, or how do they advance the opportunity when they can't go on site. All of those things are challenges, but it's not the greatest challenge they face. The biggest challenge they face has nothing to do with your solution. It's the customer's emotional resistance. Every time a rep is reaching out to either set up a meeting or sell a new solution, the customer's in one of two zones. They're either emotionally closed or they're emotionally open. It's just that simple. When you're selling virtually, most are emotionally closed because there's just not the intimacy that's created face to face. So what are you teaching your sellers to do when the customer's emotionally closed? Well, the traditional approach is about amping up the volume. It's about making a better argument. It's about taking the customer to court, building value in your case, and proving ROI. But here's why that backfires, and here's why what we've been taught sabotages our ability to convert the disinterested. When the customer's emotionally closed, the more you try to sell them, the more closed they become. Let me repeat that. When the customer's emotionally closed, the more you try to sell them, the more closed they become. So what do? Well, you need to shift from trying to sell to driving receptivity. And the best way to think about it is think about a farmer. A farmer who wants to grow a vibrant crop doesn't start with the seed, the quality of the seed. They start with the soil. They know they have to create a fertile soil before they can plant the seed. This is similar to our challenges we face when selling virtually. We first have to make sure the soil is fertile, that the customer is receptive, before we deliver a powerful message, because the message doesn't matter if the soil is not fertile. So this is where we start with helping reps to learn to sell virtually. We've got to teach them to shift from selling to creating receptivity. And that's all about reframing your role, developing a new mindset, and learning new skills. Well, if this is a challenge that you're facing, if you're having to transition your organization from a field sales organization to a virtual, we'd love to talk with you. We've been helping organizations make this shift for over 25 years.